In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a dashboard in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select a space or project that you wish to add a dashboard on. Let's have this for example. So the first thing that we need to do is to click on Add View right here and then click on this board or canvas. This would be our dashboard. As you can see, generally, or rather, you will have to do, in progress, and complete. So we can further customize this by adding a new group. For example, let's say pending, and we can choose whether it's going to be a list only or an entire space. Then let's add, let's say, decline. See? So now you can add tasks right here, or you can also drag the task or existing task that you have to update its status right here. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.